What's going on, everybody? My name is Michael, and today we are going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with a free AI tool that helps you automate your sales on products that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that takes you through step by step everything you need to do to get started earning money with AI and ChatGPT. And again, all of this is 100% for free, and you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world. Inside of this video, you're going to get this roadmap that will show you everything that you have to do in a checklist format. You're also going to be getting a bunch of pre-made videos that have already been built for you so you can start posting on social media. I'm going to give you a list of long-form videos that you can start replicating. I'm going to give you pre-made and pre-written emails that you can start sending about the different tools, and a ton of other stuff, including a free AI tool that will allow you to send emails, automate your follow-ups, and even build landing pages. And all of this is going to be 100% for free. And all you have to do to gain access to all of this right now is drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to this right now. So go ahead, drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to all of this for free right now. First thing that you're going to want to do is go to digitalplaybook.com and get all the freebies that I mentioned earlier. Enter in your name, email, and send it right over to you. And then once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to this checklist. And what you want to do is figure out what you want to promote to get paid. There's all these different categories: AI writing tools, video tools, image tools, audio tools. Now, I recommend, and what I'm promoting is Go High Level. I really like them because they have a great affiliate program. So in this case, we're going to do Go High Level. Now, what you want to do to become an affiliate is click there, scroll all the way down, and then you'll see something that says affiliate program, become an affiliate, and create an account. And once you do, they will send you a link, and that link is going to be how you promote Go High Level. But how do you get people to the link? Well, since I've been using Go High Level for a while, I have pre-written emails. Where are they? Pre-written emails and different landing pages for you guys that you're able to access. Now, once you get signed up with this account, it'll look something like this. This will be what's called your sub account, and what we give you is a snapshot. And what that is you basically can load all those emails, load the landing pages into your account, so you have everything plug and play. So you'll get Facebook comment automation, Instagram when someone signs up, all of these emails will be in your account. So how do we do that? You want to go back to the checklist, go to roadmap, and then click right here, get snapshot. So once you open it, and once you're signed in, it'll start loading like this, and then you'll hit import, and then it'll take you to import it into your account. Once everything's loaded, you'll have everything in there, plug and play. But now, how are you going to put your affiliate link into all those emails? Where there's something called a custom value. So let's go to this first email. So if you see this custom value, that's where I'll show you where you can just put in your link, and then all of these highlighted areas and all these emails will automatically be filled with your affiliate link. How you do that is we're going to go hit back to workflows, click down here to settings, and we're going to go to custom values. You're going to make one affiliate link, and then that'll create the key automatically by what you put your name in, and then the value is what you want to put for your affiliate link. Now this right here, it's not my affiliate link, it's actually a domain that I bought because I want to be able to track just different things. But all you need to do is just post your Go High Level affiliate link in there, and it will, once you hit update, it will populate your link into all those areas that said custom values. So once you have this set up, how are you going to get traffic? And that is going to be creating short form content is what I suggest first, and then long form content like this video that I'm making right now. And like I said at the beginning of the video, we give you done for you short form content that you can just click, download it, and then upload it to all your social medias. Now, what I do recommend is when you download it, I would suggest going into something like CapCut and then changing it up as far as putting some like an overlay or some different audio music under it, so when you upload it, it doesn't get caught as like repurposing content. Now, what you want to do is you want to consistently upload content, and inside of Go High Level, under the marketing tab, you're able to schedule out content, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, I don't use this, is more of like a demo. I use something called Radar, where I'm able to schedule out all my content. I've just been using this one for a while. If you want to use this one too, link will be in the description. I love it. It allows you to I just like how it looks, simple, and it's great. But if you're just getting started, you still are able to do exactly what Radar does right inside of Go High Level. So more than enough to start getting out content just by doing that. The whole name of the game is getting attention or traffic to your links, and then once they sign up, they'll get put into the email flows. And then boom, you have, I think, 60 or 70 days of emails. Yeah, like 70 days of emails, or 60 days of emails that are just going to be consistently top of mind for these people that put in their information. Let's say you don't want to promote Go High Level. Completely fine. We have hundreds of different tools that you can promote and still make videos and get paid to promote these as well. Well, let's say you came across this video and you're not even in the AI niche. This works for any type of business, really. What this is this is a framework that works and can get you money in the first 30 days. Now, if you are going into this thinking, all right, I'm just going to try this for 30 days, and if I don't see any results, I'm going to quit. Well, your mindset is already in the wrong place. You got to have a realistic goal, and you need to go hard for 60, 90 days. It could even take more. It can even take more than this. This isn't something that get rich quick scheme. This is something that is a framework that if you consistently implement by creating content, following up with people through emails, getting traffic to your link, you will start seeing results. So if you want to get access to this checklist, go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, enter in your information, and then you'll get taken to another screen where you will be able to sign up for Go High Level and get the checklist. Or drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be able to send that to you that way. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Happy money making.